I totally didn't even think about holiday traffic. The highways are already packed. Well, fortunately, there's an awesome ride to our local lake, Lake Berryessa. One thing that's cool about Berryessa is on the weekends, out at Turtle Rock, you never know what you're gonna see. Sometimes it's like a mini bike show, mini car show. People love going up there, stopping at Turtle Rock for their famous egg rolls and whatnot. So, looks like that's what I'm gonna go do today. Freaking cold. You know, another good reason I'm glad I'm going out here is she's never been to Berryessa. Let's ride. Not bad for a Saturday putt. Thought there'd be a lot more bikes out there, but it is cold. Cold. I was gonna swing by the dam and the glory hole, but I'm gonna be lame and I'm just gonna insert some old footage I have of the glory hole. That way you guys can see it.